Hello everyone, Studmaster Jay from Geriatric Punk here. I just got my hobby stock fired up and it's running pretty good. She's running a little bit rough, doesn't smooth out like it should after the rough idle phase, but I figured I'd come out here and show you where all my race inspiration comes from building cars. This is an IMCA hobby stock, and it is a obscure chassis, but to me, I got this chassis super cheap, but it looks just like it's built like all the modern aftermarket chassis. It's got a whole bunch of, it's got like a spider web pipe underneath it. RGR. It's RGR out of Kansas. At one time they were calling them toxic chassis. It's like a 13, I think, but it's really nice chassis. Really nice one. I don't know if that's gonna show up. It's older, but yeah, honestly, I couldn't tell you. And I studied how all the aftermarket chassis were built at one time. Well, I built one myself, so I know what they're like. And this thing is, better than I could have built it. And, proportionately and technique-wise, like any other, it's very reminiscent of the Charger chassis, with the exception of the front hoop bars come out straight and go down instead of at an angle, which I would rather they did. I like the Charger chassis. Super light, but being that the front hoop bars are on an angle, it actually provides more support using less pipe. So at some point maybe I might, it'd be like an update for this chassis to do that, but as of now, this front hoop bars just come out straight and go down. And then the person that had it before me cut out the support bar. I put the support bar back in. Yeah, I just figured I'd share that with you. This is Justin from Geriatric Punk signing off. Have yourself a wonderful evening, lunchtime, breakfast, supper, and we'll talk at you next time.